po! Welcome to Cinque Amore, San Juan, Abra. This is actually a very, very nice place. So why come here? San Juan, Abra is actually right before Abra. So in Abra, you have there Kaparkan, Spring Terraces, and Apple Rolling Hills. So if you plan to see those majestic tourist spots, then you can actually stay here. They have rooms for couples, families, and even for group of barcadas. Or if you're planning to just go for a swim, then this is also a very, very, very nice place. This is one of their cottages. It's a little kubo, and you could rent this for 350. This area is what they call the barn. So if you're celebrating birthdays, weddings, or any event, you could actually rent this area. It costs 1,400, and it includes already the videoker. So your party will be complete. We recently visited the Apple Rolling Hills and we stayed here overnight. We actually loved it. We love the place so much. We love the food, we love the people, especially Ate Ami. She was very, very accommodating. Thank you so much for all the stuff. They tried to keep the place clean. They were actually cleaning non-stop. They were very accommodating, very courteous. So I know that if you stay here, you would really, really love it also. Another thing, I would like to commend their comfort rooms. They are really nice and they smell so good. I could actually can stay inside the toilet for a couple of hours, just doing nothing. We stayed in one of their couple rooms. It was a very nice room. It was clean. And it has toiletries, of course, soap, toothpaste, shampoo. They also have free mineral water bottle. So thank you so much for that. We actually didn't expect that. And another great thing about their room is that the comfort room has bidet. Let's go to the attic. Come on. Look at that. That is so cute. And that is so stunning. I think 2, 4, 6, 8. 8 people could actually visit this place. And this is only 500 each. Nice one. Let's now go to this one. I'm not sure if this is open. It's not. This is actually the family room. It's quite big. I hope you can hear me. So this costs 3,600. Oh, it's so sweet. Good morning, Caleb. One, two, three. Thank you so much po for watching our video. Please subscribe, like, and share. Thank you po for watching our video. Please subscribe, like, and share. Salamat po! Bye-bye!